Welcome back to our unique subject, Zeus Mavos video session. In this video session, I want to explain to you about the minor topics which are written on the board. Around 7 minor topics we have, one by one. Let we discuss. The first one is spermiogenesis. What is meant by spermiogenesis in the sense? In the seminiferous tubule, spermatogonia or sperm mother cells, they transformed into spermatids. These spermatids finally transformed into sperms or spermatozoa. This phenomenon is known as spermiogenesis. Genesis in the sense formation or production, whatever. Then followed by spermiation. In the seminiferous tubules, these spermatozoa are formed or produced, that is called spermiogenesis. Later, the head of the sperms are released from the seminiferous tubule out is known as spermiation. The slight difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation. Never will be confused. Then followed by neurulation. What is the meaning of neurulation? Generally, third month embryo is known as a fetus. These 3 months time period in the gestation period is known as especially pregnancy period. So in the pregnancy period, during the development of zygote into fetus, the first organ is formed, that is heart, cardium. Then the second one is formed is neural tube. So during the development of the embryo from the zygote, from the neural plate, special cells are divided and neural tube is formed. This phenomena is known as neurulation. So from this, the nervous system in the embryo will be developed. Then coming to third one, capacitation. What is meant by capacitation in the sense? In sperms we can be observe capacitation. The sperms, they undergoes different types of physiological changes, a series of physiological changes. Then only they can able to penetrate into an ovum with the help of acrosome. Then fertilization occurs. Then further development will be started. So this penetration process takes place in the female reproductive tract, especially at the particular spot, ampulla isthmic junction or ampullary isthmic junction. There this process takes place. So this capacity of sperms can be penetrated into ovum and make the ovum fertilized is known as capacitation. Remember. Then followed by compaction. What is meant by compaction in the sense? During the embryo development, in the human especially, different stages are there. Morula, blastula, gastrula, etc. So these all takes place in an order. Later we shall discuss. Then coming to the main point, compaction in the sense, the cells which are present in the morula, they firmly arranged together and tightly they adhere or bind together. Then the compact morula stage is formed. Here, this morula stage, how it is formed in a sense, the blastomers tightly, firmly, they will be aligned or arranged opposite together, each cells opposite together and form the morula. So to form compact morula, these blastomer cells, whatever they are doing or undergoing, that phenomena or that arrangement or alignment is known as compaction. So compaction leads the formation of morula. Done. The next one, what are the 4 extra embryonic layers or membranes in the human especially? So during the development of an embryo, there are 4 extra embryonic layers or membrane. Number 1, amnion. Number 2, allantois. Number 3, yolk sac. And number 4,